You can order the front bumper cover used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn off your vehicle's ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release handle and open the hood. Start by removing the plastic cover by pulling on the 10 plastic rivets using a fork. Then remove the cover. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. In order to change the front bumper cover on your vehicle, you will need to take off the wheels to have full access. Lift the front of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the jack stands. We strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Honda Accord safely before carrying out this step. Don't forget to put the wheels under the vehicle. Now you need to remove the mudguards. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the various screws and clips that hold the mudguard to the fender, bumper cover, and body. Now remove the mudguards. Using a ratchet and an 8mm socket, unscrew the bolt holding the lower plastic cover in place on both sides. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screws holding the lower plastic cover to the bumper cover and frame. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screw holding the bumper cover to the fender. Remove the power connector from the fog light bulb by lifting the gray tab and pulling on the connector. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Then unclip the front bumper cover from the side bumper retainer. Repeat this step on the other side. Using a flathead screwdriver, lift the tab on the fender by the headlights. Then disengage the front bumper cover from the tab. Repeat this step on the other side. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. You can now remove the bumper cover. Depending on what you will need to replace, the number of parts need to be removed from the bumper cover. They will need to be reinstalled on the new one. You can now see the screws holding the bumper grill. Using the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 2 screws holding the front bumper grill to the front bumper cover. Next, using a fork, lift the first front bumper cover grill retaining tab. Do the same on the other 6 tabs. You can now remove the front bumper cover grill. Disengage the grill trim from the grill assembly by pulling on it. Also, remove the grill assembly. You can order the front bumper cover used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Recover the fog lights and their plastic trims from the old bumper cover. Then install them on the new bumper cover. Put the grill assembly back in place. Next, put the grill trim back in place. Put the front bumper cover grill back on the bumper cover. Reconnect all the tabs. Then, screw the 2 retaining screws back in. Once all the parts have been reassembled on the front bumper cover, you can reinstall it. Put the bumper cover back in place, starting by inserting it into the 2 fender tabs. You can use a screwdriver to help you. Make sure the bumper cover is correctly placed under the headlights and in the bumper cover retainers by pressing firmly on the upper edge of the bumper cover. Screw back in the 2 screws that hold the bumper cover on the fender. Reconnect the fog lights power connectors. Put the lower plastic cover back in place. Then screw it back on. Put the mudguards back in place. Then screw back in their screws. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your vehicle back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. Put the plastic cover back on. Then put the 10 rivets back on. Operation complete.